You gotta watch what the girl on the screen's doing and do the same thing. Well then move.
Okay, come here. Come here. You're too little for this, baby. Come here.
Hey.
You gotta do the same side as her.
Move.
Kelsey,
Yeah, you
move.
do, actually.
If you're not gonna do it, not gonna try, then move. You can't just sit down.
Dance, you are too little still. That's all it is.
It's hard.
She do it, she just chooses to sit
Anna, don't stand in front of the TV.
Anna, stand back.
There you go.
See, I can't even do that part.
Don't look at
I
me.
don't think anyone can. Look at your scarf.
You gotta watch the screen. Not walk in front of it, but watch it.
Anna, get out of the middle of the screen, sweetie.
I can see.
Are you making fun of her or her? Which her are you making fun of?
Oh, sorry, Anna.
Both.
Shut up, Chris.
Well, he just mimicked what
Get
you
up
two
there
did.
and do it, Chris.
No,
No. You want to take her to the hospital?
West Coast chocolate.
Hey, look, she did it.
You'd be taking me to the hospital.